Hi, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I go into this shave test, I picked up a nice little tip from the sharpologist.com. Today I'm using Pro Ra soap, one of my favourite soaps, and one of the tips he said when you're lathering up is to invert, instead of doing it this way, invert it. Sort your brush first, nice big fat brush, and then invert it, and you'll get a creamier lather. I think he's right. I'll say this sharpologist.com, he has a really good website, all sorts of different tips, generic tips on shaving and how to get the best out of certain products. He's also on Twitter under Mantic59, I think they know. Mantic59, and it's sharpologist.com. Really good guy. Anyway, so we lathered up now for and quite a nice razor I've restored this week. Original case. Those who've been subscribing to my YouTube video will probably understand what the Hamburg ring stands for. So the condition when I got it was pretty good. He just wanted a polish basically. And honing. It says on the blade Walter Klophaus, but apparently it's not. That's how it's there. Walter Klophaus, Wald, Solingen. You can see some etching there, extra hollow ground. Apparently it's pronounced Walter Klophaus. Walter Klophaus. And what appears to be Cologne Cathedral on the handle. The pivot is quite stiff, as you can see. It says Quast. Whatever that means. So anyway, during the honing process it responded really quite fast. When I was resetting the bevel, it's almost responded immediately, and took it through my normal progression of stones, and this little beauty can pop a hair anywhere along that cutting edge, no problem. And it's taken off a 5-day beard, no tugging, no problem. Just going on to this handle, I've had to sort of smooth out the lines a little bit and sand them down. I think at some stage this part has been placed on a hot surface, only briefly, but enough to sort of warp it. So what I've done is if you close the blade, it was buckled. You can probably see little evidence of it was quite well buckled here. So what you do is you place the whole razor during the cleaning process into boiling water or really hot water, just for a few seconds, soften the plastic, and then clamp it here and here, just with a couple of pegs. Hold it tight, and as you're holding it, then just rinse it underneath some cold water, running cold water, and then that's it, it's set. Lovely. They're quite smooth, that. I might even have to go shaping my tash with this little beauty this morning. Just going with the grain at the moment. And then just go against the grain there, and then I'll have a go at doing my touch. Over the years, I've had quite a few of these Solingen blades, and there's two types that I find quite good. The Solingen, obviously, and the Sheffield steel. I've had a few stubborn Sheffield wedges in my time, but up to date I've never had a bad Solingen. They've always been excellent, high quality blades. Now then, I'll have to get my old goggles on for this, bit of close-up work, otherwise I'll end up with a with a nose like a door knocker. We don't want that. I like to keep a couple of millimetres at the top lip. I think it helps to keep your tash in shape. Of personal taste at the end of the day. I must say the weather in Slovenia this last couple of weeks has been a bit harsh. You get nice sunny days here, but the wind is really sort of piercing, and this is the result here. You get all your lips blistered with the severity. I'm only a delicate little flower, really. I always find another great tip from the a guy in America. Can't remember his name right now. Eric Latter, I think. Just when you're going around tight areas that you can't really get to, just puff out your cheek. Dead simple, but it works. Sort of stretches the skin. Right. Okay, so that's the whole shave test out of the way. And I'll be adding this little beauty, this video should I say, to my Etsy shop later this morning. Always remember to wipe your blade. Or at least wipe it on a towel. Or strop it by 30 laps on your leather strap. Okay, there we have it. Nice little razor for the new owner. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you what are we now, Wednesday, probably next week now. Okay, bye for now, bye.